scholars, welcome back to our next lesson in our Kings and Queens unit. So today we're going to listen to a different type of story called a nursery rhyme. And we actually worked with nursery rhymes at the beginning of the year. Remember, a nursery rhyme is a short poem that has rhyming words. So as you listen to this poem, listen for those rhyming words that you hear. And then also, what type of king was in our story? So let's begin. We're going to hear Old King Cole. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler had a very fine fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. Oh, there's none so rare as can compare with Old King Cole and his fiddlers three. So our questions at the end of our poem: what was the name of the main character in the rhyme? Remember, a character is a person or animal the story is about. What three things did Old King Cole ask for? How do you know the main character was a king? Think about what he had on. What was in the picture that you saw? Would you describe Old King Cole as a happy king or a sad king? Remember to upload your responses to Class Dojo or Remind.